Hi everyone, so we're going to add Firebase and the login portion of this. So in here, in our login page, we need to start importing a few more things. Let me just add all the other imports that we need first. So I'm just importing a few things from Firebase. And now that I've set everything up here at the top, we got all of our imports. So we're going to import all of we're going to be using signing in with email and password and creating the user with email and password in this example. So what we'll do first is we're going to set up the use states for what we're going to be using. So we're going to set up one for the email and one for the password. So we're just going to do the creating user part first. So we can just create the user on our application by setting the username or email and password, and then that'll store it in the Firebase. And we're going to set up the text input field, so where the user can just sign in or register first. So let me just show you here what's going on. Let me expand this. So I'm just setting up this one text input field for the email, and then I'm going to set another one for set password. And what we're doing is we're essentially saying take the text input field and place it into the set email. So then we are able to store that information and use it later on. So let's actually make sure this works. So let us save this. And we're going to put a button here as well for creating the user. And what we'll do is on press, we will do something. So let's save this first, and it'll say on the button click, create this user, and it will just set all of the email and password that we need, but it'll also then connect it with Firebase, so then it will store that information in the Firebase database. So what we want to do now is let's save this and let's run our application. Okay, so we get this error about the prop of a button must be string because we have not set up the actual title of the button, so that's why it's showing us this information or this error here. So let me set this up here for the button and let that refresh here. So I just restarted the Expo app and just waiting for it to start up again. Alright, so we got the application that started up now. So what we want to do now is we just want to test out if we add in some type of email here. So let's type in something. I'll just type in November at test.com and just put in a password. And for Firebase, it requires at least 6 letters or numbers in the password, so we'll just register. And let us see here. So here in users, you can see here we got that new email, November at test.com. So it works. This is all the information about the actual user. So it does work. It's all here. You can see all the information about the actual user themselves. And we're also gonna add in a sign-in button as well. I'll do that in the next video.